The Chicago Bulls have won 3 straight games as they embark on a 7-game road trip. Starting things off in Houston, where the Rockets were down Yao Ming and Aaron Brooks, both out with sprained left ankles. Derrick Rose very much in the game. We take you straight to the fourth quarter of a tight contest, and Rose has a much improved three-point game. 4 of 5 from deep on the night. Houston still up by 1 point later in the fourth. Watch Kyle Lowry, shot clock running down. He just heaves this thing, and it goes. Kyle Lowry knocks this one in, but later the refs would go to the replay, and the replay would indicate that he was still hanging onto the ball while the light was on, so the shot was no good. However, as Derrick Rose goes in and knocks in this layup, the scoreboard hadn't been corrected yet, so it goes to 76-71. Bulls not 76-74. Later in the fourth quarter, it's Derrick Rose outside one more time. 81-71. Chicago in front of Houston. More fourth quarter action. Brad Miller, a big man with an outside game, drills the three. He had 21 on the night. That cut Chicago's lead down to 5, 81-76. Luis Scola, he's playing terrific this year. He led the Rockets with 27. Nice jump hook inside. And then it's that man again for Chicago. Derrick Rose just blowing by the defense. 17 of his 33 points came in the fourth quarter. Chicago up by a half dozen. Later in the fourth, Kyle Lowry, shot clock running down again. Again, he beats the buzzer. But one more time, the referees go to the replay, and there it is. His hand's on the ball when the light is on. So what do the refs do? Well, they have to take the shot away one more time. Lowry, 2 shots in the fourth, negated. How about Kevin Martin? This one isn't negated. He had 18 points. Chicago's lead is 3. Derrick Rose goes to the line with a 2-point lead. He misses the first. On the second one, he drills it, so Chicago up by 3. Houston inbounds, and lo and behold, there is Derrick Rose one more time with the steal. Chicago hangs on the road. They've got a 4-game win streak now. They win it by 3. Final score, 95-92.